Hello students, here is the question. Here we need to identify what are the products A and B, and these are the options given to us. Now if we look over here, 20% H3PO4 358 Kelvin is the first reagent, and CH3 thrice CO negative K positive is the second reagent. Now if you look over here, all we need to know is about the reagents that are used. So the reagents that we use over here, this will give us a major product, and the major product is a alkene that will have more alpha hydrogens, because both of these reactions will give us an alkene in this case, but the stronger one will be the one that is I have marked with a tick, because this will give us a Sedzev alkene. Sedzev is the alkene that will be formed. It will be having more alpha hydrogen, and as we know, more alpha hydrogen meaning more number or more possibility of that product being formed, thus it becoming a major product. And if we look over here, we have OH and Cl as the groups that can leave in this case. So if OH leaves over here, if we have the alkene at the top position like this, we have alpha hydrogens count to be 1 2 3 4, only 4 alpha hydrogens in this case. But if we have an alkene in the ring, as you can see over here, the number of alpha hydrogen that we can get is 3 from CH3 over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here. We have in total 7 alpha hydrogen, and we know that the Sedzev product is the major product having more number of alpha hydrogen. So this will give us the Sedzev product, and this will give us the Hoffman product, which will have less number of alpha hydrogen compared to the first one. Thank you.